How to change to UI language in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, go to the top menu and click on DaVinci Resolve. Then, select Preferences from the drop-down list. Next, in the Preferences window, click on the User tab to access user-specific settings. After that, look for the UI settings section inside the User tab. Here you will find an option labeled Language with a drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down menu and scroll through the list of available languages to find the one you want to use for the interface. Once you select your preferred language, click Save at the bottom right corner of the Preferences window. You will then need to restart DaVinci Resolve for the language change to take effect, so close the program and open it again. When DaVinci Resolve restarts, the UI will be displayed in the new language you selected. If you ever want to switch back or choose a different language, just repeat the same steps. And that's it. Now you know how to change to UI language in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.